let's learn factoring by AC method. So what is an AC method? So AC method is a method of factoring trinomials in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So it forms an alternative to the guessing method. It's some kind of similar to the trial and error. So given this quadratic expression with the terms ax squared plus bx plus c, we are often asked to factor. So what we are being asked to do is to find two expressions which multiply to give the original expression that is equivalent to this trinomial. Okay, say for example, we're given this equation 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. So how are we going to factor this by AC method? So first we factor any common terms. There isn't any common terms here. So let's just identify, after factoring common terms, we identify A, B, and C. So A here is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 11, then C is equal to 5. So now the AC method applies. So we just have to multiply A and C here. So A times C, our A is 2, times our C is 5. So our AC is equal to 10. So what are all the factors of AC? Since AC is equal to 10, then what two numbers can we multiply to get AC equals 10? So in our case, the factors of 10 can be 1 and 10, negative 1 and negative 10, 2 or 5, then negative 2 and negative 5. Okay, could be either of these four factors here. So if AC is positive, then we add the factors. AC is positive, we add the factors to form the middle coefficient of the middle term, which is negative 11 in this case. If AC is negative, then we subtract the factors to form the number B, which is the coefficient of the middle term. Since in this case our AC is positive, then we'll look for factors which add to negative 11. So this one, factors 1 and 10, when we add them up, this is just equal to positive 11. So certainly this isn't. Negative 1 plus negative 10, this is negative 11. So we choose this one. So the next step is we replace the middle term with the new terms we got. Okay, you just have to delete this. Our AC is equal to 10. We chose negative 10 and negative 1. So we replace the middle term with the new terms we got from what we previously discussed. So we replace negative 11x with negative 10x and negative 1x to we can write this as this equation as 2x squared minus 10x minus 1x plus 5. So take note that we use here negative 10 and negative 1. This is so that if we add them back together, we get the original value of B, which is equal to negative 11. Then we group the equation into two separate parts. So we can group this one. let's say 2x squared minus 10x plus negative 1x, or let's just write negative x minus 5. Okay, we just, okay, that is negative 1x minus 5. So the negative 1 here is included in the second parenthesis, this one. Oh, it should be positive 5 plus 5. My bad one. Because this is plus 5, the original from the original expression, that is plus 5, so it should be plus 5 here too. So the two new terms here are joined by an addition sign. Our operator sign is addition. Then the next step is we find the common factors in each group. So we have groups 1 and 2 here. This is our group 1 and this one is our group 2. So we find the common factors and then we extract them. So from 2x squared minus 10x, the common factor there is 2x. So we extract 2x. So we are left with x minus 5 inside our parenthesis. And then here our common is negative 1. Then we are left with x minus 5. Then we have to make sure that in this step we performed everything correctly. Then the first and second terms should have a common factor. So in this case, our common factor is x minus 5. Then factoring this out, the x minus 5, we will get x minus 5 times 2x minus 1. So these are our factors for the original expression, which is 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. We can always check this one, our answer, by multiplying these two factors with by using the FOIL method. So let's try checking that using the FOIL method. So that is x minus 5 times 2x minus 1. We'll see if it is equivalent to the original expression of trinomial, which is 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. So FOIL method. FOIL. So first, for those who don't know this yet, outside, so we will multiply the first terms, the outside terms, the inside or inner terms, then the last terms. That's why it's called FOIL. So let's try multiplying them. That is x minus 5 times 2x minus 1. So first terms, x times 2x, that is 2x squared. Then outside, x times negative 1, that is negative x. Then inside, negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. And then the last one, negative 5 times negative 1 is just plus 5. Then simplifying this would give us this expression. Take note that they are just equivalent, so that means our factors x minus 5 times 2x, x minus 5 and 2x minus 1 are is correct.